Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, here introducing Heise LED's new 20-inch Edgeless Slimline Lightbar, the HE-TSL20. Heise now offers a clean, seamless look that blends in with any vehicle with their new Edgeless Slimline Lightbar. Available in 20 inches to fit many aftermarket bumper installations. The Edgeless Slimline Lightbar offers an 8-degree spot pattern that is more focused than previous models with a higher 5,309 lumen output. A modern streamlined appearance is void of the traditional look of screws on the front of the light bar. This style does not sacrifice its durability or IP rating, as it features Heise proprietary torture-tested heavy-duty construction with a virtually unbreakable polycarbonate lens and integrated epoxy encapsulated electronics. It's rated IP67 with a military breather port that allows moisture to escape. For any more information on this product, you can visit HeiseLED.com, visit Heise on Facebook, and follow on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.